Today, we've got something special for you. As we step into the exciting world of 2024, it's crucial to navigate the economic landscape wisely. Forget the doom and gloom. Let's talk about the 15 asset classes and sectors that are set to perform like rockstars this year. Hey, before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Number 1. Profit first. Business equity. Alright, fellow financial trailblazers, let's talk about the modern gold rush. Profitable businesses. Private equity firms are on a buying spree, grabbing these gems left, right, and center. Owning a chunk of one might just become your secret weapon for serene nights. But here's the kicker. The game is getting more challenging. It's not just about the purchase. Running these enterprises is turning into a strategic battleground. So buckle up, aspiring business tycoons. The landscape is shifting. 2. Cash is king. Hold on to your wallets, folks. In a world where every financial move seems like a chess game, cash emerges as the silent champion. With inflation appearing to play nice, having a stash ready might just be your golden ticket to seizing opportunities in the next 6 to 8 months. Picture this. When others are scrambling for resources, you'll be the one with loaded arsenal. Don't underestimate the power of cold, hard cash. It's not just currency, it's your ticket to financial agility. 3. Bitcoin. Now let's dive into the digital revolution. Bitcoin, the unexpected hero in the financial saga. Surprisingly, it's making a comeback on our list. Last year, it was the star performer, soaring from 17K to a jaw-dropping 44K in just 12 months. Brace yourself for the next act. Bitcoin might just be the asset that keeps on delivering surprises. 4. Strategic real estate. Get ready, real estate strategists. It's not just about where, it's about where exactly. Great commercial properties near bustling city centers. Those are the gold mines that continue to yield profits. However, don't be fooled. The mid-range properties are gearing up for a tough battle. Navigating the real estate realm requires more than just location savvy. It's a strategic chess game where every move counts. 5. Art. Welcome to the thriving world of art, where recessions seem like a distant myth. Forget the saying, recessions are for the middle class. In art, it's a different ballgame. Dive into this dynamic market where unique pieces resurface, capturing the attention of those in the know. Young enthusiasts are catching the art money bug, turning art into a game accessible to all. 6. Abroad investments. If the property prices in your homeland feel like they're reaching the stratosphere, it's time to cast your eyes abroad. Spain, Portugal, Colombia. These aren't just destinations for your next vacation. They might be the secret hotspots for your next property investment. Imagine snagging an apartment near the Spanish coasts or a house with ample land in Colombia. Opportunities that might just be impossible to find in your homeland. It's time to think globally for those real estate riches. 7. Consumer staples. Now, let's talk about the unsung heroes of the financial battlefield. Consumer staples. No matter how hard the economic storm hits, people still need their essentials. Think about it. Toothpaste, toilet paper, and a cup of morning coffee are not just going out of style, recession or not. Historically, stocks in this sector have been the sturdy ships navigating through turbulent waters, outperforming during tough times. 8. Financial indexes or ETFs. When it comes to navigating the unpredictable waters of investments, indexes are our reliable North Star. Diversify your portfolio with the magic of ETFs or index funds. It's like having a financial Swiss Army knife. Minimize risks while aiming for those coveted 40% plus returns. It's not just a strategy, it's a financial superpower. 9. Drugs, big pharma and health subscriptions. Health, my friends, is the undisputed rock star of the moment. From popping pills like candy to the obsession with extending our time on this planet, the health sector is booming. Pouring money into pharmaceuticals and health-centered subscriptions is the trend of the era. Picture this: companies delivering groundbreaking changes in how we approach weight loss, becoming category-defining in times of recessions. It's not just about health, it's about investing in the future of well-being. 10. DIY services for money saving. Now, let's talk about the financial disruptors that might just redefine the game. The do-it-yourself services focused on saving you those hard-earned bucks. Imagine a reinvented Groupon or a budget-friendly alternative to Airbnb. This could be the game changers in the world of money-saving services. It's not just about deals and discounts. It's about taking control of your financial narrative. 11. Precious metals. Alright, let's talk about the ever-reliable financial bedrock. Gold, the classic hedge. It's not just an investment, it's a tangible safety net. Imagine holding those golden bars, feeling the weight of your financial security in your hands. Something you can't do with stocks. In a world of intangibles, gold stands as the timeless heavyweight, offering stability and potential gains. So whether you're mirroring market trends or seeking a tangible touchpoint, gold might just be your golden ticket to financial resilience. 12. Gas and oil. Now, let's talk about the wild ride that is the energy sector, specifically gas and oil. Despite the roller coaster of volatility, traders in the know are optimistic. War tensions tend to stir the pot in this sector, and right now, things don't seem to be quieting down. While it might not be for the faint-hearted, those who ride the waves might just catch a financial updraft. Gas and oil, with all their unpredictability, could be the sector where risk meets reward in the financial high seas. 13. Solar and energy. Consider this sector not just a trend, but a safe bet for the next few decades. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, the macro trend is clear. On the retail side, people are willing to sacrifice present costs for long-term gains, investing in solar panels and in-house batteries. On the business side, it's all about carbon tax benefits and the transition to electric. So if you're looking for a sector with a sunny outlook, solar and energy might just be your beam of financial light. 14. International currencies. Now, let's talk about financial juggling. International currencies. Think the dollar standing strong? Think again. With the printing presses working over time, its strength is slowly waning. Diversifying your savings across stable currencies, or at least a more robust one, could be your hedge against the money printer frenzy. It's not just about spreading your financial wings. It's about ensuring your savings don't get caught in the turbulence. 15. Cheap labor. In this interconnected world, the workforce is in constant flux. Keep a close eye on the labor market, especially the trend of skilled workers willing to work for market value. Human economic migration is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. In a world where skills trump borders, industries need workers valued by the market, not just governments. These skilled individuals working in your country and sending money back home redefine the global workforce dynamic. So, as you navigate your industry waters, keep an eye on the human economic migration current. It might just carry your financial ship to new shores. And there you have it, 15 asset classes and sectors to keep your eye on in 2024. Before we wrap up, remember, change is on the horizon for us, and we want to know your thoughts. Drop the word change in the comments if you're ready for what's coming. As we wrap up another episode of Wealthway, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comments section is all yours. Until next time, stay savvy, stay sharp, and let's make 2024 our year.